Listen up, folks. Some civilians attacked the station today. That's kind of horrible. Why is it? I don't know. Bad people, they exist. Get yourself ready. We got some news to create. Create? Don't usually, occasionally cover the news, like go out when something happens, take some footage of it, actual ones, hear the story, then show it to the public? Is this guy new? Yeah, he is. Well, Mr. Honest Man, let me explain the situation for you. We do not provide the truth here. We make our truth because these people, the ones who own the station, are the ones who's paying your salary, my salary, and everyone else's salary. And just to fill you in, the station is an institution built for harassing them way long before you even born. And the ballsy civilians finally just defending themselves. Good for them, a justified action, but again, it's unfortunate that the station is the one who pays us. Don't we get paid doing our jobs? And what you're asking me to do is read off of a script, a very unrealistic one, unlike what actually happened. There is some horrendous stuff in here. I don't think the civilians are even capable of doing that, like physically, mentally. How would the people even buy this? And you will. You will be written as a traitor, lose your job, and will find yourself in prison. You get to choose, buddy. You either demonize the civilians with us, or you'll get demonized as well. What if the civilians decided to speak their truth? They will try, obviously, but nothing they say will matter because we, as you can tell, the station controls what goes on and off the air. So we'll just censor whatever they have to say. And our side of the story will be the only side that has been telling and will be taken as the truth. Well, that's just it. A horrible group of civilians attacked the station in the middle of the night and there were 200 women taken hostage. Well, that's just it. A horrible group of civilians attacked the station. A group of civilians attacked the station in the middle of the night, and there were 200 women taken. Well, that's just it. A horrible group of civilians attacked the station in the middle of the night, and there were 200 women taken. Oh, damn. These people are actually horrible. Take a look at this poor brainwashed guy. If he knew it's all just a game to gain his sympathy, he would pretty much feel like a very stupid person. Well, maybe let's see the other side of the story. They are the ones who attacked us with cold blood. 40 of us suffering because of them. Well, 25 of us are suffering. Well, 60 indeed. Well, how many are they? Can you guys not even confirm your own story? It is confirmed to be 40, 27, 59. What about the hospital that blew up today? Well, they just failed to attack us and blew themselves up. We actually did do it, but we warned them beforehand and they did not listen. So that's what they deserve. Nah, it wasn't us. It wasn't us. They don't even know how to convince you, so the story is in continuous changing. Does that sound like a trustworthy side of the story and a source of news?
هاي دارنا من جوا واحنا كان لنا احلام كتير ان احنا نضلنا مع ابويا هان في البيت.
You and I are living in a world where a child gets dehumanized and declared as a human sheet right after he gets born, who doesn't have the slightest human rights as drinking water or have a roof above his head, where his only pure childhood dreams revolves around waking up the very next morning next to his parents. A world where innocent civilians buried under the ground being called off as the one who deserves the punishment. The right to defend yourself is not favorable at this day and age, but the complete surrender to being held hostage at your own home is justified because you tried standing up for yourself. What more could a human being possibly need to seek for the truth? How much more ignorant can you be being convinced with these lies that you're putting out? The outcome of your judgment upon this conflict will affect you. Seek your own truth and spread the word. You are a part of this, as long as you're a human being.